welcome to Cyber Runway Live, your big graduation event at the end of all 5 accelerators under Cyber Runway.
Every year we've listened to feedback, we've seen what's happening in the wider ecosystem, and we've iterated the programme to make sure that it stays relevant and supports founders in the best way.
I am the head of sectoral engagement at DSIT. Programmes like Cyber Runway are so important. It exists to give the people here the support, the mentorship and the skills you need to grow and scale your companies.
We actually believe that we save lives because we're providing cybersecurity that protects critical national infrastructure. And I think it's really important to convey that level of passion.
Cybersecurity can be very complex, whilst at the same time there's a lot of different types of companies that sound like they're doing the same thing. Remove the confusion when it comes to your messaging.
It's been quite a journey. At the start of the program, I had a new product idea, and as of last week, we released that product and we have paying customers. This program has seen the entire journey.
We've always known that we wanted to target CNI customers, but they're very, very difficult to access. We knew that by joining this program, we would be able to get direct insight and actually get to know their problem set and speak to them directly.
We wanted to expand Culture AI's reach into the cyber ecosystem, and we knew Plexal was a great way to start helping us do that from a brand awareness perspective and an ecosystem perspective.
It's been great seeing the depth of quality, but also not just bound by cyber, but also like looking into the net zero and how cybersecurity and net zero interact.
Having the ability to kind of talk to a network of people who completely understand it, and it's a much more kind of vulnerable, authentic conversation, but it's much more helpful because the output is much more real and raw, I think.
It's great to see those that are just kind of getting started on their journey, and then those that are slightly further along, and then the successes and shared challenges and the milestones that come with that.
You have a network of people, so not just founders, but you also have the network from the Plexal team where they understand what you're going through. That was the biggest value.